everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create Wells Fargo bank account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Click open your web browser first. In the search box, type in wellsfargo.com and press the enter on your keyboard. From the official website, click on the Enroll Now button in the login box. In the login area, you can go ahead and enter your username and your password if you already have an account, but if you don't, click on Enroll Now link. In order to enroll, you'll need to go ahead and enter your social security number. If you don't have a social security number, click on this box that says I don't have this number, and you can instead enter your ATM card number, your debit card, account number, or even a loan number. After you're done, click continue and you'll be able to sign up for Wells Fargo quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.